Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at a classic trainer from every Slav's favorite brand, Adidas. This is the Adidas Samoa in the white and tech indigo colorway. These shoes retail for $70, but you can sometimes find them floating around online for under retail. Also, of course, these are part of the Originals collection. Anyways, let's get them open. As you can see, it's a very simple trainer. The materials include a very synthetic leather upper, more on that later, a foam midsole, and a rubber outsole. Onto the features, on the tongue we have the Adidas trefoil logo stitched on. Moving down we have the classic leather T toe cap that we're so used to seeing, but this time it's followed by a gum colored rubber bumper. It has an interesting pattern to it, it almost looks like it's growing hair. It's pretty cool. Moving on, at the side of course we have the triple stripes with the Samoa blinged out lettering. The leather has kind of a snake pattern to it. Also, the synthetic leather feels cheap. It feels like Adidas got some synthetic leather and said, how can we make it more synthetic? Then they put a snake pattern to it and gave us this synthetic faux leather. It honestly doesn't even feel like leather, it really kind of feels like foam. I feel like it might only be on this SKU number or colorway because I've seen other colorways of the Samoa, and by the pictures it looks like they have way better leather than this specific Samoa shoe. And for freaking $70 MSRP, this is my biggest complaint with the shoe. We also have the white exposed EVA foam midsole, and the foam feels very dense. At the rear we have the reflective trefoil logo that looks very clean. We also have a nicely padded mesh lining. At the bottom we have the gum colored sole with the iconic trefoil logos covering the entirety of the shoe. I really like this tread design, I think it looks really unique, and they kind of remind me of weed leaves. Lastly we have the glued down white foam insole that feels pretty dense. The insole combined with the foam midsole should give us really no problems in the comfort department. Overall, my only complaint is the styrofoam they call leather that has no business being on this shoe for $70 MSRP. Like I said before, it's probably just this colorway or SKU number. But anyways, that's pretty much all you need to know about the Dwayne Johnsons. Let's get them on feet. On feet, like I predicted, these have no issues in the comfort department. The EVA foam midsole really helps. Dwayne Johnson would be proud. I'd say these are above average in the comfort department. I really like the way these look on feet. I just really wish that the leather wasn't straight cheeks. The leather is not smooth at all either. You can tell these are going to get dirty pretty easily, so definitely going to have to look after them. Overall, I wouldn't recommend these shoes at MSRP, but if you can nab them at a good price, I really don't think they're a bad choice. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for the video. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it or if you guys found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.